Oh my! Would you look at all of this mess here? Like, this isn't on really, is it? I can't use this desk. Don't be silly. So welcome to my messy office. I mean, it's always like this. We're gonna sort that today, but first, want to touch base with you guys. First off, shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this video, guys. You're amazing. Recently, I've been searching the gram for inspiration for setups, right? And the problem with that is that setups are a personal thing. Now, one of the biggest questions I get regarding this setup is, Alex, why do you use 3 different monitors? And well, my answer to that is the ultra-wide one is so I can put 2 things on it. This is a gaming monitor that's 144 Hz for gaming, and this is a 4K editing monitor for editing. Now, we have a few problems with this setup and we're gonna sort them today, but for me to explain the problems with this setup, I need to give you a little bit of background. So I bought this house a couple of years back and I actually didn't have the intention of living in it. I bought it as more of an investment, but what actually happened is in 2019 my friend Toby and I moved in here and have been living here ever since. Now that has meant that my office unfortunately ended up being in the smallest room of the house. Yeah, this is the smallest room of the house that we're in right now. And there's 2 reasons as to why that's an issue for me. Issue number 1 is that due to recent times, coronavirus and everything, I've been working from home, mainly from this office. Look, and if I just move some of this stuff away, this is super cool. This is actually a projector that projects the image onto the table, and yeah, you can actually go ahead and it's so cool. Okay, back on track. I want to move my office out of the smallest room in the house into a different room in the house, but the problem with that is I don't really have any other choice. Now, I know what you guys are saying. Alex, no, please no. God, please no! Took us so much effort. I mean, I had Luke come in, we dropped the entire ceiling. I mean, heck, just to add salt to the wound, this room is that cool that even Lad Bible themselves featured it on their page. I installed this insane sound system, which to this day, I don't even know how I managed to even afford. But it's not all that bad, because obviously the ceiling being dropped was a huge part in what we did in making this room, but obviously I'm still gonna really love that. The only time I ever use this room is when I have people over. I mean, heck, there's a clip over here. And to be honest with you, I made this room because I wanted to watch more films. I've tried to watch more films, but unfortunately I have the attention span of a fly, so I just fall asleep. Like, I can't watch films. So because this room is so cool, and because I spend 90% of my life in my office, we're gonna make this room the office. And to do that, we're gonna need a couple of bits. Okay, so we have literally arrived at my favourite place in the entire world. Okay, so home base it is. I'm here. There's no one here actually. I thought it was going to be really busy, so I'm quite surprised. All I've come here for is white paint. Okay. Sick. The last thing I need is some decorating sheets, and I think... Haha! What? I've got the front 2 left and right speakers out. I've taken the speaker grills off for the Atmos speakers. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to paint over these or not. Between you and me, guys, I can't afford to be without my office for more than 24 hours, so I think we just get started.
Yo, Chris, bust that ass. Our mother who art in heaven, number 7 is the weapon with the goddess. I'm stepping lyrically, I'm never begging, you know. I'm the difference between Indo and oregano. Imagine how fresh I am now, made these lyrics up a year ago. So report back, it was fat, fit, all that quick. Pump that drop, let's hit. I'm lyrically physically fit. Catch me bugging on the mic every day and every night, every hour, every second, minute. Don't stop, get it, yes, admit it.
So, Atlas, what do you think so far? Like, take a look at the roof, my dude. Look, This is insane, isn't it? So it's taken us about 4.5 hours to get the entire ceiling painted with 3 coats. Now, because this was a black ceiling before, I was really worried that it was going to take me ages, but I called upon a good friend. However, she said she didn't want to be in the video, so obviously I full on appreciate that and everything. But the ceiling, to be honest with you guys, I don't know what it comes across like on camera, but it's mega. Now this effect is going to be amplified more so in the evening, but you guys know that we ran an LED strip around the drop ceiling that Luke and I put together. Now because the ceiling was black before, black, if you didn't know this, actually absorbs light. Whereas obviously the white here reflects the light, so the LED strip actually looks, I want to say, at least 4 or 5 times brighter. Like before, it wasn't shining down the wall like it is here. But even at 5 o'clock in the evening, you can see the light and it just looks so good. The speaker grills have come out okay, but the main reason is that I kind of want to paint all of the other walls. Not sure what color to do yet. I'm gonna leave this wall here gray, and then I want to paint this one, and this one. So if you could let me know what you think we could paint them, then that would be great. Like I say, this one gray, and then the rest of them we want to paint. But you've seen in the title of the video, office. There's no office in here yet. That's what's next. To be honest with you guys, I'm flagging a little bit, but if I want to get this done today, then we need to crack on. Okay, I did not expect this to be this cool. This is awesome. Okay, so I hope you don't mind. I've switched out to a vest. Honestly, I was sweating buckets. This table, the top of the table, because it's like a wood finish with a live edge on it. You can see how the edge runs down here like this. It weighs an absolute ton, so getting this down the stairs was a nightmare. But hopefully with some luck, if I click this button, it should turn on the lights around the... Yes! Atlas is already making himself at home under the desk. You right there, bud? Okay, so one thing I am absolutely loving is just the size of this room. Well, the size of this studio, office, whatever you want to call it. Because I've been able to completely work on the desk whilst it's been pulled out from the wall. Now, another thing that I love as well is these monitor arms. Completely underestimated these things, but I used to vase mount my monitors to the actual wall, and that is such a bad idea because it just ruins the wall and you have to get them picture perfect, otherwise it's just gonna look off. But with these, you can adjust them on these like pole things, I don't know what you want to call them. Well, just to get them looking absolutely perfect. Another thing I'm loving as well, you guys may have noticed that I've had to ditch the KRKs because what I'm actually going to do is use the sound system that's already in this room. Really looking forward to that because like I said to you guys, I spent a hell of a lot of money on this reference series gear from Klipsch. Speakers on the wall over here, and then obviously the Dolby Atmos in the roof. I'm gonna lose the actual Dolby Atmos part of it because obviously now the speakers aren't in the right orientation. The TV was there, correct, but my desk is there. But I'm not really bothered because most of the things that I watch on my computer are just in stereo anyway. And all these puppies will allow me to do is, well, simply just crank up the volume and have it coming from, well, literally everywhere. Okay, so everything seems to be working. Sick. This is insane. Guys, I love this. I love this. I love this. I love it. And just for reference, this is what the old studio now looks like. It's obviously just a tip. Bit of a shame really that I went to all of the trouble of putting the cables in the walls properly. What I was actually able to do though was because I did it really, really well, I was actually able to take back out all of the display cables that I put through the wall, which is sick. That can then go back to being a spare room. But in here, well, this is just insane. God. Ha! Wow. You know what? I actually completely bit the bullet when I thought to myself I wanted to put my office in the cinema room, but this has paid off. This is insane. This is a brilliant idea. I love how this looks. I love the fact that I'm able to be in a room all the time that has the drop ceiling that Luke and I worked so hard on. And I'm also just happy that I've actually got an office that's, well, bigger than a really small bedroom. This is insane. Honestly, I couldn't ask for anything more. I think I've finally built my ultimate dream home office. That grin on my face, if that doesn't speak volumes, then I don't know what does. This is cool. Okay, now before I go ahead and finish this video off, I did just want to bring you guys into my actual studio. This is what I've been calling the studio because it's sort of like my coronavirus fitness suite, and because my office has been so small, I've had in here all of my drone stuff. So as you can see, there's DJI drones, and I've got all my drone chargers and batteries. Now my actual office is a little bit bigger. I can have all of my filming gear, including all of my drone stuff, which is in here in the actual studio, which is awesome. I'm really looking forward to having everything in one room. And plus the fact, when you're playing with drones and stuff, you're back to the charger so often, and taking things up and down the stairs was a nightmare. So I'm so happy to have it on the ground floor of the house too, which is awesome. I think we're gonna end this video here, so that means it's time to thank today's sponsor, Squarespace. Now, if you guys would like to get 10% off your first Squarespace purchase, please use my code MarzBar or go to squarespace.com/MarzBarVlogs. What is Squarespace? Essentially, it's a website that allows you to create your own website. So here is an example of a few of my company websites, which I've owned for the last 5 or so years, and all of these websites are built on Squarespace because I've always used them, even before they sponsored me. The reason why I recommend them to you guys, not only because I've just used them myself for as long as I can remember, but it's super easy. So if you want to take the easy route, you can choose one of the templates, upload all your own stuff, and then it's, you know, super easy. It's pretty much done. Or if you want to make your website really cool and do advanced things like HTML or put animations on your website, that's all built in too. Super simple. They handle everything as well, for like building the website, like I've said, to like things like securing the domain, which is the actual name of your website, which can sometimes with other vendors be really tricky. With Squarespace, it's super easy. But for now, guys, that's been it. Today has been awesome. I can't believe we've got all this done in one video so far. Definitely a part 2 coming soon, and yeah, I'll wait for that one. Cheers, guys.